In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar chart in Microsoft Excel. If you want to turn simple spreadsheet data into something visual and easy to understand, a bar chart is one of the best tools you can use. It helps you compare values quickly, spot patterns, and present information in a cleaner way. In Excel, creating one is actually very simple once your data is set up properly. To begin, enter your data into Excel and make sure it is organized in a clear table format. Usually, that means you'll have headers at the top of each column, with labels in one column and the corresponding values in the next. Once your data is ready, select the entire table, including the headers. This part is important because Excel uses those headers to label your chart automatically, which saves time and makes the chart easier to read. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the Excel window. In the Charts group, look for the option labeled Insert Column or Bar Chart. This is where Excel gives you different chart types to choose from. Since we're creating a bar chart, click that menu to open the available chart styles. From there, look under the 2D bar section and choose Clustered Bar. As soon as you click it, Excel will automatically generate the chart based on the data you selected. This is the main chart creation step, and in most cases, your chart will appear instantly on the worksheet. If your data was selected correctly, the bars and labels should already make sense right away. Once the chart appears, you can customize it to make it clearer and more professional. Start by changing the chart title. Click directly on the existing title and replace it with something more descriptive. A good title should clearly explain what the chart is showing so anyone viewing it can understand it at a glance. After that, you can change the bar color to better match your presentation style or make the chart more visually appealing. Click on any bar in the chart, then go to the Chart Design or Format tab. From there, choose a different color or try a different chart style. This can make a big difference in how polished the final chart looks, especially if you're using it in a report or presentation. And that's it. By entering your data, inserting a 2D clustered bar chart, and then adjusting the title and colors, you can create a clean and effective bar chart in Excel in just a few moments.